Jaipur, known as the Pink City, was founded in 1727 by Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II, the ruler of Amber, who wanted to create a planned city. The city is named after its founder, Jai Singh II, who was an accomplished astronomer and built the Jantar Mantar Observatory. Jaipur is part of the Golden Triangle tourist circuit, which includes Delhi and Agra, attracting millions of visitors each year. The city's distinctive pink color was introduced to welcome the Prince of Wales in 1876, and buildings were painted in terracotta pink to honor the royal visit. Jaipur's architecture reflects a fusion of Mughal and Rajput styles, showcasing intricate designs and vivid colors. Is one of Jaipur's most iconic landmarks, featuring 953 small windows to allow royal women to observe street festivities without being seen. The city palace, built by Jai Singh II, is a magnificent blend of traditional Rajput and Mughal architecture, with museums showcasing royal artifacts. The Amber Fort, located just outside Jaipur, is known for its stunning architecture and scenic views, and it was built by Raja Man Singh I in the late 16th century. Jaipur is famous for its vibrant bazaars, including Johari Bazaar, known for its jewelry, and Bapu Bazaar, famous for textiles and handicrafts. The city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its rich cultural heritage and historical significance. Jaipur is renowned for its traditional Rajasthani cuisine, featuring dishes like dal bati churma and gat ki sabzi, which are popular among locals and tourists alike. The annual Jaipur Literature Festival attracts writers, poets, and scholars from around the world, making it one of the largest literary festivals in Asia. Jaipur is home to one of the world's largest stone astronomical instruments, located at the Jantar Mantar Observatory. The Nargar Fort offers stunning panoramic views of Jaipur and was originally built as a retreat for the royal family. Jaipur is famous for its textiles, particularly block-printed fabrics, which are produced using traditional methods passed down through generations. The city's local artisans are known for creating beautiful handcrafted items, including pottery, jewelry, and intricate woodwork. Jaipur is a hub for gemstone cutting and polishing, with many skilled artisans producing exquisite pieces for both local consumption and export. The city celebrates numerous vibrant festivals, including Tej, Diwali, and the Elephant Festival, showcasing its rich cultural traditions. The Jaipur International Airport connects the city to major Indian cities and international destinations, facilitating travel for tourists. Jaipur is known for its traditional folk music and dance forms, including Ghumar and Kalbelia, which are performed during festivals and celebrations. The city hosts a variety of art galleries and cultural institutions, promoting contemporary and traditional Indian art. Jaipur's architectural marvels include the Jal Mahal, or Water Palace, which appears to float in the middle of Man's Sagar Lake. The city is surrounded by the Aravalli mountain range, providing a stunning natural backdrop to its historical sites. Jaipur has a vibrant nightlife with a mix of traditional and modern entertainment options, including rooftop bars and cultural performances. The city is known for its colorful markets, where visitors can find everything from traditional handicrafts to modern fashion. Jaipur's local transport includes auto rickshaws, cycle rickshaws, and traditional horse-drawn carriages, offering a unique way to explore the city. The Albert Hall Museum, named after King Edward VII, showcases a vast collection of artifacts, including textiles, paintings, and sculptures. Jaipur is home to several royal residences, including the Rambagh Palace, which has been converted into a luxury hotel. The city has a rich history of art and culture, with many palaces and forts serving as centers for artistic patronage during the reign of the Rajput. Jaipur's weather is characterized by hot summers, mild winters, and a monsoon season, making it a year-round destination. The city is known for its commitment to sustainability, with several initiatives aimed at preserving its cultural heritage and environment. Jaipur's population is diverse, with a mix of ethnicities and communities contributing to its vibrant culture and social fabric. The city is famous for its blue pottery, a traditional craft that originated from the Persian influence in Rajasthan. Jaipur has been featured in several Bollywood films and international productions, showcasing its stunning landscapes and cultural heritage. The local markets offer a variety of handicrafts, including embroidered textiles, leather goods, and intricate metalwork. Jaipur is known for its traditional puppet shows, which are a popular form of entertainment for both children and adults. The city has several parks and gardens, providing green spaces for relaxation and recreation amid its bustling urban environment. Jaipur is a center for education and research, with several universities and institutions offering programs in arts, science, and technology. The city has a rich literary history, with many famous authors and poets drawing inspiration from its landscapes and culture. Jaipur is known for its vibrant street food scene, offering a variety of delicious snacks like kachori, samosa, and lassi. The city's rich textile heritage includes a variety of weaving techniques, such as ikat and tie-dye, producing unique and colorful fabrics. Jaipur hosts various cultural events throughout the year, including music festivals, art exhibitions, and craft fairs. The city has a growing startup ecosystem, with many entrepreneurs establishing innovative businesses in technology and design. Jaipur is home to several historical step wells, known as bauris, which were used for water storage and cooling in the arid climate. The city's architecture features intricate jolly work, lattice screens, allowing for airflow and privacy in royal residences.